So now I want to ask certain questions, and we want to discuss it one by one, because these are very important. While we are starting to use Power BI, these questions will come usually to our mind. That the first question is, will changing the names of the table change the original file name? The answer is no. So the thing is, when I am applying any changes from Power BI, I am not at all touching my original file. The meaning is, when I am doing any changes here, I am not actually going to change anything of my files here. The content, everything, whatever available here, it will never change. We are just changing from within Power BI, but this changes is not getting reflected into my original data. So my original data are totally safe. Whatever changes I will do, if I will delete some columns, if I will add, I am not at all touching my original data. So my original data, whether I will change the name, I will remove some columns, add column, change the content, it will never at all change my original data. So that is the answer of question number 1. Question number 2 is, will the transformation change the original file data content? So again, the transformation will never change any of the content of my original data. Will adding a new row on the original data file CSV automatically update the related table in the Power BI? So the thing is, when I am going to add, for example, any row here, let us assume that I will go now to the sales CSV file, and I'm going to add a new row. The thing is, the moment I add a new row and save this file, is it going to be automatically added here into Power BI or not? The answer is, if you are going to add here a new row, if you want this row to be available on Power BI, what you need to do, you need to click on refresh. This is very important. Your new row or new records, the new updates on this file will never show in Power BI automatically. It will only show if you will go ahead and click on refresh. So again, the next question will be, can we schedule this refresh? I mean, is there any way which we can automate this process? The answer is yes, it's possible. And if you want to know more about this refresh operation, you can attend the VILT session, which is going to give you more information about how we can schedule this refresh. So that is possible, but for now, this is the option which is available. I just wanted you to understand that whenever you are going to change the content of your original file, it will only be reflected here the moment you click on refresh. The moment you click on refresh, it will again apply the same queries, and it will fetch the same data based on the query. And it will fetch the same data along with the update for each and every query. So this is actually what I wanted to make it clear, because this is a common question which I am getting the moment we explain Power BI, that am I going to change the original value? What will happen if I am going to add a new row? So I hope that now things are clear, that your original tables are totally safe. Even if you are going to transform it using Power BI, it's not going to apply the changes into your original data.